Emperor Ashoka's son, Venerable Mahendra, came to Tamil Nadu, stayed there before reaching Ceylon. There were 3 port cities, Umbugar, Kavarippumpattinam and Nagapattinam. There were 39 and 40 great cities of Buddhism. Even though if you find the district name and the village's name or Buddhist name, Buddhagaram, Buddhavika, what is that? Then the Seelam, Dhammapuri are the names of the districts in Tamil Nadu now. So great land of Buddhism. Now languishing. Now revival movement is widespread in Tamil Nadu. Our Vasika come. Only this is the introduction. Our Vasika, Anandavalli, as our Bhakta ji told, she will